Hi guys, it's Alice Monique with Vintage Galley Teen. So this is the second part of Shelf on the Elf, and I'm gonna start on day number 8, and they are right in front of the Christmas tree, my kiddos, with, let me see, I'm trying to, because I think I wanted to put this elf here. Yeah, let me put the elf first. You can't really see the elf on the tree, but he's at the very top, and so that's why I'm putting this up here. And I tried getting it a different, I guess, format, or I don't know what you call it, but it just, the crop, but he's up here, so maybe I could do like an arrow or something to say that he's up there. But so I've already done my little journal, and I think I'm going to put the journal part right about here. And what the elf was doing was he took a little finger puppet to the very top of the tree, and he was playing with it. And that finger puppet is my baby Jason, so we thought that was cute. And let's do some wing down here so that stays. Just been real hectic. The holidays just started. I guess I just started feeling the holidays now, but it's been a little bit hectic with the kids' extracurricular activities. They started their soccer, both of them, so they've been having fun, but it's just, you know, running around it's just a lot. Let's see, that's blue. Let's do this one. And then, well, Micaela, this is her first year at doing soccer, and so it's a lot. I mean, running and everything, and so she's like, I can't do this no more, Mommy. And I'm like, Micaela, we just paid a lot of money to get you into soccer. You've been wanting to do this for a while. She goes, I know, but no, but she's just running around. It's funny to see her, because as she's running around, she kind of stops to wave at me while she's in the game. She had her first game this Monday, and it's just funny to see, because when she's waving at me when she should be paying attention to the ball and all that stuff, and she's over there smiling and waving. It's just too cute to see. I'm not sure if I want a title, but I know I did want an arrow. Let me see if I can find an arrow to point that the elf is here. Okay, so I found a little arrow, and I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna paint the wood veneer at all. And I'm just adding some of these flat little adhesive. Let's see if it stays with that. They're really strong, but let's just point. Oh, maybe I need another one. And take one off from here. That, and then I could just put the word elf on top, maybe. So like that. I'm not sure about that arrow. It's really not staying. I should have used my two-way, but I already have it down, so okay, I'll just leave that one like that. Okay, so that one's finished. Okay, so this is day 9, and our elf decided to roast some marshmallows, and he was gonna try to make some s'mores. So this is pretty cool. I'll move this out of the way. And it's really cute because he got a little stove that my daughter had, and he put it on top of the blanket, and he got the Hershey bar that we had in the pantry, and the marshmallows and the wooden skewers, and he set himself up right there. I thought that was pretty cool. Then I'm just gonna, I just got another picture and I cut him out. And I think I'm gonna add, yes, I already have the journal. Here it is. I just put there day 9, making s'mores. And I think I'll put that about there. Let me see, I had some other, okay, here they are. I'm just getting these little cutouts, and just like I did the other page with the cutouts, I'm just gonna, like this one says, I believe in Santa. I'm gonna put that right there. Get this other one that says Happy Holidays. And I think I'll put some bling on this one. Since I put a little bit of bling on the other one, put a little bit here as well. Put one right there. And another one here. Okay, I think I'm done with this. I didn't want to put too much in this one. Okay. Okay, so this is day 10, and our elf decided that he was going to stuff himself in our mug, hoping that we'd make him hot chocolate. So that's him right there. And what I'm going to do for the journal card is I just have this little scrap paper, and all I'm going to do is have that as the bottom border. And I'm just going to use my, I think this is 2-inch circle punch. And then I'm going to do my journaling right here. Let me just bring this down. There, and I think I wanted this right about here. I don't know if I want it lifted. Let me go see where I have my pop dots. Okay, so for this I'm just going to use this because I'm running out of my pop dots. And I actually did an order on Blitsy, but it hasn't gotten here, and I ordered it a while back already. I didn't even see if there was going to be a late shipment or what, but I ordered it back in, I think, the 5th of December or the 3rd, and it still hasn't arrived. I'm kind of disappointed in that. I wish it were here already. I'm just going to use my ATG for this one right here. And that's just a little journaling. I'll put that, I guess, right there. And then I wanted it to say hot chocolate in the bottom. So I will get, let's see, H. I think I'll start here. Like today, as I'm doing this, I've been wanting to do this since Monday. Today is actually Wednesday, and it's been super duper busy, like I tell you. Like today, both kids have a soccer game, and then that's it for this week, which is good because it'll let me relax a little bit. Yeah. It's just a lot of running around. Okay, I'm going to finish this so it won't eat up too much of my time. Okay, so I finished hot chocolate right there. I wanted to add maybe like a Santa Claus, and then a snowman. Let me see what else I'm going to add. Okay, I'm going to add maybe like candy canes right here. And then I added presents up here. I think that's it. I like it the way it is. Okay, so this one's finished. Let me get the other one. Okay, so day 11 we caught Snowflake reading Beauty and the Beast. The kids really like that. That was super cool. And I already did the journal, and I'm doing it the same as I did over here, just that I like the red pen instead of the blue, so I did that. And I put at the top day 11. Kind of keep it the same. And then, let's see, maybe something like this, Merry and Bright. Yeah, I like that one. I think I'll use the roll again for that one. It's a little bit thicker on the, kind of feels like cardboard. Put that there. And I'll just use the same style of stickers. The Santa Claus and the snowman. I think I'll leave that one simple just like that as well. And I think I'll put bling. Okay. Okay, the only thing that I did add to the other one was some words like this. I'm just going to add jingle bells to the top of the picture right there. Right there. Okay. Okay, so on day 12, the elf Snowflake decided to get the predators and aliens, which are in my son's room, and he totally adores his aliens and predators, and I thought that was so cool that he got those out. And I did a little, just put there, day 12, predator versus alien. And you can't really tell because the red pen's not picking, the camera's not picking up the red pen that well, but it's there. And I wanted to add another snowman, maybe somewhere here. And another one over here. Maybe like a Santa hat. Let me add a Santa right about here. Maybe like a Santa hat. And this is like jolly. Yeah, that one's nice. Okay, like that. Let me get the other sheet out. Okay, so for the last entry, which is day 13, there is, oh, maybe I'm pretty sure I had another picture. I don't have another one, but in case this is the last day, I thought I did have another. Oh well. This is going to be day, let's see, this is day 12, this is day 13. So we got the potato heads and started having a ball with them. And I did the journaling right here. It says day 13. Let's put that on that side and put like a Santa Claus right about there. Snowman. Another snowman. I had like this and it says Happy Holidays. That little penguin's cute. Oh, but I didn't. Oh, maybe if I cut it here, it won't look so striking with that. So I just cut the top off because I know it's going to be a little big, and just going to snip right there in the edges. And maybe put this maybe right in the middle. And let me add another little hat right about here. Okay, that one's good. Let me just check. I'm pretty sure I had another picture. Let me see if I didn't misplace that one. Okay, so I did find my last picture, and this is for Saturday, which is day 14, and he got all wrapped up in toilet paper. We found him in the potty, so we thought that was really cute. And I actually did the paper with some stash paper. Well, most of this paper is stash paper that I tried using up, and so I have this square perfect, but this one wasn't complete, so all I did was I half that, but I don't want it to look so strikingly white, and so I think I'm just going to cover most of it with that and then add an elf right on this side. So let me set that down. And I will try to cover up as much white as I can, and then add this elf right about here. Add a jewel here. Another one about here. And somewhere there. Let me see what else I can add to this. I think I'm going to add some of these letters, all wrapped up maybe, and put it like let me continue adding those. Okay, so there wasn't enough of the salmon color because I want to go with the green and the salmon, so I just stuck to, I had some other colors which is black and white, so I put all wrapped, and I'm going to put Merry Christmas right in the center. Like that. And maybe add some more red green. I had some more here. And so I think this is my last picture. I know it is my last picture. And so I will leave all the pictures at the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed this process. Thanks guys. We'll be back with the other videos. Bye.